Every day, millions of us navigate the same physical frustrations. We deal with stubborn abdominal fat that resists exercise, a midday cognitive fog that derails our productivity, and the cellular markers of accelerated aging. People are searching for a natural intervention that actually works. The 30-Day Green Tea Challenge operates as a structured biological reset, utilizing the compounding effects of specific tea compounds to alter your internal chemistry. When hot water hits those dried leaves, it releases a cascade of bioactive compounds into your cup. This extraction process makes these chemicals available for your body to use. The goal of this challenge has nothing to do with basic hydration. The true objective is the daily, consistent delivery of specific plant-based antioxidants directly into your bloodstream. Tracking this specific habit chronologically over 30 days reveals a measurable, compounding cellular transformation that temporary diets can't produce. On day 1, the process begins the moment the tea enters your digestive system. Almost immediately, its core compounds begin navigating their way toward your nervous system. This diagram shows how one of those specific compounds goes to work. It's an amino acid called L-theanine, and because of its unique molecular structure, these particles pass right through the blood-brain barrier and enter your brain's environment. Once inside, the L-theanine binds directly with the tea's moderate dose of caffeine. Instead of the massive volatile spike and subsequent crash associated with coffee, this pairing locks into your receptors to provide a steady, sustained boost to your dopamine levels. This exact chemical pairing induces a state neurologists call relaxed alertness. By the end of week 1, the first measurable result is a laser-sharp, jitter-free focus. Moving into the second week, the daily intake of tea begins to systematically influence your body's lipid or fat stores. This phase is driven by EGCG, the most abundant and aggressive polyphenol found in green tea leaves. Here we see exactly how that works. The EGCG molecule attaches to the exterior of a rigid fat cell. This triggers the cell to fracture and release smaller lipid particles straight into your flowing bloodstream. From there, the lipids travel to your muscle cells, where they are utilized as energy output. Clinical data shows that drinking 4 or more cups of green tea daily is linked to a 44% lower chance of abdominal obesity in women. Because of this precise signaling mechanism, green tea acts as a clinically backed tool for metabolic fat burning, rather than temporary water weight loss. By week 3, we zoom back up to the mouth. Long before the tea reaches your stomach, it delivers a localized benefit to your oral environment. With every single sip, your mouth is coated in catechins. These are the specific structural antioxidants that give the tea its antibacterial power. Once they coat your teeth and gums, these catechins actively suppress the specific oral bacteria responsible for plaque, cavities, and periodontitis. This localized suppression shifts your oral microbiome. By day 21, participants experience noticeably sweeter breath and healthier gums. As we enter the final week of the challenge, the effects expand to a systemic, microscopic view of the body's aging process. As we live and breathe, our bodies produce free radicals. These are unstable, jagged molecules that bounce around our internal systems and damage healthy cells over time. Watch what happens at the cellular level here. After 30 days, the accumulated influx of green tea antioxidants has built a systemic defense grid. A green antioxidant molecule intercepts the free radical and binds to it, neutralizing its movement entirely. This daily microscopic defense yields practical results over time. By consistently neutralizing cellular damage, the tea lowers the long-term risk of cardiovascular disease and cognitive decline. To realize these biological benefits, you have to transition from theory to practice. That requires adhering to the medical data regarding dosage and timing. For maximum benefit, the clinical sweet spot is 3 to 5 cups daily. Because of the caffeine content, you should avoid exceeding 10 cups in a single day. There is also a critical timing constraint. You should avoid drinking green tea alongside iron-rich meals. The tea contains tannins, naturally occurring compounds, that block your body's ability to absorb iron. You also need to stop drinking tea a few hours before bed. Even though the caffeine dose is moderate, it will interfere with your deep sleep cycles if consumed too late in the evening. Follow those rules, and the 30-day results are specific: stabilized focus, activated fat breakdown, a healthier oral biome, and a measurable increase in cellular protection. The challenge is right in front of you. Commit to the habit and brew your first cup tomorrow morning. Participating in this challenge turns a simple morning beverage into a daily compounding practice of cellular maintenance.